Hello guys, for today's video yan ituturo ko kung paano tayo magbayad ng last pay later kay Lazada. Open lang po natin yung ating Lazada account. Lazada account. Punta tayo dito sa my account. Yan, scroll down, hanapin lang natin yung Lazada Pay Later. Click lang natin to. Yan, meron tayong babayaran na 409.28. Click lang muna natin yung view details. Ito yung mga kinuha natin. Pinagsasama-sama na lahat ng amount na babayaran. Due date on June 1, pero pwede naman siya mag-advance pay. Yan, tapos click lang natin itong pay. Ayan, since lahat naman babayaran natin, so kung ano yung amount nakalagay sa taas, ganun din dito sa baba. 409.28, and click natin continue. Tapos select payment method. Gagamitin natin is GCash account. Yan. GCash account required. Tapos pay now. Processing your payment. Ayan. Wait lang natin, mag-redirect siya sa ating GCash account. And there, while we prepare a few things for you. Ilagay natin yung GCash account na merong laman. Ayan, 26. Wait. Then next. Tapos, may ma-receive tayong code. Ayan, wait lang natin. Never share your OTP. 190, 190. Then next. Tapos, lagay lang natin yung PIN ng ating GCash. And next. Agree. By confirming I gave my consent to collect this process and store my personal data. Scratch it and agree. Tapos, lagay natin. Meron tayong 29 balance sa ating GCash. Then, click lang natin yung pay 409.28. Then, may mga nare-receive tayong text galing kay GCash. Ayan, notif galing kay GCash. Ayan. Bill payment successful. You will receive a payment 400 from your card. It will be restored with 396.34. Ayan, ball pang referral. Ayan. Ayan. Check natin yung ating yan, payment successful. Yan, success. You order. Check natin. Yan. Balik tayo sa last pay later. Back. Back lang natin. Back. Tapos, yan. Yan, wala na tayong utang. Bayad na yung ating 409 na utang kay Lazada. Ganun lang po pagbayad kay Last Pay Later, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.